Good morning students. Now today we will start the exercise 5.2. The 5.2 is a depend on pie chart. Okay, the pie chart is a circle chart and made by center angle. Okay, the center angle is a 360 degree. That first question, a survey was made find the type of the music that is a group of young people like a city. An adjoining pie chart shown in the figure in the sources. Find from this pie chart answer of the following. According to this pie chart, you have solved the three questions. Okay, now three questions. That first is if 20 people like classical music. First you did the pie chart. Here is the like music, semi classical music, folk music, and 40% is like music, 20% is like a semi music, semi classical, and classical is 10%, and 30% people are like a folk music. That first question, if 20 people like classical music, how many young people were the surveyed? It means 20 pupils, okay, like a classical music. That is the here is a pie chart is 10% of total public will 10% of classical music like, and if you 20 people like, so you have solved that first question will be solved. Okay, that first question 10%, here is the pie chart is represent the 10% represent out of 100 people, because out of 100 because is a 10% is total is 100%, is a 10% people represent the 100 pupils. Therefore 20% represent is 100 into 20 upon 10. 0 cancel is a 200 people. It means 200 people like 20% of the total music. Okay, this is the first answer. Now second, which type of music is liked? Which type of music liked by the maximum number of people? So they are maximum percentage of the in pie chart. They are maximum number of people. Here the like music is a 40%. It means the second answer is which type? Light music, LIGHT music. Okay, it means light music like a maximum number of students, they have maximum number of people. Okay, and it is third answer. If the cassette company where we make 1000 CDs, okay, so now total number of CDs is 1000. Okay, total number of CDs is 1000, and how many of each type would they make? We have find different folk music, like music, classical music, and semi music. How many CDs will we make? The total number of CDs is 1000. It means that the folk music 30% of 1000, classical music 10% of 1000, and light music is 40%. It means 40% of 1000, and semi classical music is 20%. It means the 20% of 1000. Okay, so that number of folk CDs is 20%, 30% of 1000. 30% of 1000 means it means 30 upon 100 into 1000, 2020, its only answer is 300 CDs. Okay, it's mean the total number of CDs of folk dance is 300. And second is number of classical CD. Classical CD is a 10%. It means 10% of 1000. 10% of 1000. It's mean 10 upon 100 into 1000. 2020 cancel. It's mean only 100 CDs. Okay. And third, folk, classical and semi classical. That number of semi classical, number of CD of semi classical is how many percent? 20%. It means 20% of 1000. 20% of 1000 means 20 upon 100 into 1000. 2020 cancel. 20 into 10 is equal to 200 CDs. Okay, and last will be light music. So that number of light music CDs is equal to how many percent? 40% of 1000. 40% of 1000, it's mean 40 upon 100 into 1000. 2020 cancel is equal to 400 CDs. Okay, so this is the finish the question. It's mean number of, suppose the total number of CD is 1000, the folk dance CD is 30% of 1000, classical CD is 10% of 1000, semi classical CD is 20% of 1000, and number of light music CDs is 40% of 1000. Okay, and second question will be revised, which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Then the maximum number of people, it's mean the number of percentage is maximum is 40%, it's the light music. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the 3 seasons, raining, winter and summer. In this question is given the table, and summer season 90, number of voters is 90, raining season 120 and winter is 150 is number of voters. First question is which season got the most voter? So this is the first answer is which season got the most voter is the winter season, is the winter season is a most got the most voters. Okay, now next is a find the center angle of each sector. Find the center angle of each sector and draw the pie chart. Then center angle find करने के लिए that you draw the pie chart. Before the draw the pie chart, you make a table. Okay, the table is increase this table the 3 section. First is section, first season number of voter, and next column will increase is right in fraction. Okay, and next will increase and center angle, क्योंकि find the each the central angle. Okay, of fraction is 90. First you total the all numbers, there 0 0 0, you write that total next step. Total is 360. Total is 360. The first fraction is number of voter and total. This is the first fraction. Okay. Second, the fraction of reigning season is number of voter 120 upon 360. Okay. And number of voter is 150, that the 150 upon 360, because 90 is out of 360, 120 is out of 360, 150 is out of 360. And find center angle. Center angle is 360. So that in fraction multiply 90 upon 360 into the center angle is 60. So is equal to, you cancel that 90 degree. Okay. Second is 120 upon 360, it is a fraction, and multiply 360 because 360 is total angle of 360, this cancel, and 120 is a center angle of reigning season. And third is 150 upon 360 into 360 cancel, is equal to 150 is a center angle of winter. It means the second question is find the center of angle of each sector, that the summer sector is center angle is 90 degree, rainy season is center angle is 120, and winter season is angle of 150. Next will we draw the pie chart. Then pie chart will be draw on the base of center angle. First you draw of any radius. Use the any radius of one circle. Any radius. Okay, and draw the first one radius. This is the first radius. Okay, and first will we draw on the this radius is angle of 90. This is the protector, and use the protector and make a first angle is 90. Where is the, this is the baseline, and this is the point of O. This is not given the point, but this is the point is center, is the center of protector, and show and write that the angle of 90. Okay, this is angle of 90. It is the which season? It is the summer season. So you write summer 90. Okay, next will be 120. Next you make a next angle is the baseline of 90 angle line. So you have draw the center line is this. Okay, and 120 angle this here. So you draw 120 angle and write the rainy season. Rainy. And last is 150. This is the remaining angle is 150 is which season? Winter season. Okay, this is the winter season. Then after the make whole pie chart, you draw by the pencil color and different color of different seasons and full color. Okay, and suppose here pink color, you draw the blue color. Okay, and here is a green color. You choose your color, but use the only pencil color and draw different colors. This is the complete your question. Now question number 3. Draw the pie chart showing the following information. The table show the colors for perfect a group of people. This is the given the table. According to table you draw the pie chart, and first will you color and number of people. The 4 color blue, green, yellow, red, and blue, green, red and yellow, and blue number of people is 18, green is 9, and red is 6, yellow is 3, and total number of people is 36. So first you draw us first you find center angle. Center angle is increase the table in 2 column. Last question you already read that 2 columns will increase. Okay, the first column 2 column increase. First column is a in fraction and second column is center angle. Center angle is compare the fraction is 360. Okay, that first is blue color, that 18 and total out 18 out of 36. So first fraction is 18 upon 36. Okay, and angle is 18 upon 36 into 60. Okay, they will cancel, is only 10 is equal to 180 degree. It means the center angle of blue is 180 degree. Second is a green. In fraction is 9 upon 36. 9 upon 36 in center angle is 9 upon 36 into compare the total center angle is 360, cancel, and 10 is 90. It means 90 is a center angle of green color. Okay, then for third is red color, is number of people is 6 and fraction is 6 upon 36 and center angle is 6 upon 36 into 360, the cancel is only 10 is 60 degree. It means the center angle of 60 degree is red color. Okay, and last is a yellow color. Yellow color is the number of people is 3 and the fraction is 3 upon 36 and center angle of 3 upon 36 into 360 is equal to, again cancel, will 10 and 30 degree. Before draw the pie chart, you have calculate 30, 60 is 90, 90 is 90, 180 and 180 and 180 is 360. Suppose if the sum of these angles is greater than 360, it means your calculation is wrong, and suppose your sum is less than 180, it means you are less than 360, it means your calculation is wrong. So first you draw a pie chart, draw a circle if any radius, draw a circle of any radius and center and one radius. Okay, one radius and first angles, this is the baseline, and draw the angle 180. 180 angle is a semicircle is a 180. This is the full angle is 180 degree and color will be blue, and by pencil color you color blue color. Okay, by pencil color, because by sketch color your out shadow is out of back to the page. Okay, this is the first angle is 180, second is a 90. So after you draw the a 180 angle, and this is the line of the baseline, and write the protector and this type. Okay, and draw a 90 angle. It is the green color, you write green is angle of 90 and fill by the green color. Okay, and next is 60. Okay, then 60 is red color, again you in your protector you, and this is the baseline of is 90 angles, and this is the 60 angle, and remaining is also 30 angle is yellow color, and you direct the color and write the color name is red, and remaining part of 60 square is yellow color. Okay, and shading the yellow color. So this is the pie chart of given question. Okay, question number 4. The adjoint the pie chart of the given the marks score of the examination by the student in the Hindi, English, Math, Social Science, Science. Okay, and if the total obtained marks by the student is 540, is the total marks is 540. Okay, then the question is asked that which subject will the student score 105. Second is how many more marks were obtained by the student in the mathematics than the Hindi, and third is the examiner whether the sum of the marks are obtained social science and mathematics, and more than that the science and social science. This solution only question you see in your NCERT book, and solution this here. So first you in the pie chart is given the value of the degree form. Okay, 90 degree, the mathematics is 90 degree, social science 65 degree, science 80, Hindi 70 degree, and English is 55 degree. So first you change the degree, it is the center angle. Okay, so first you change in the marks, because all question will depend on the marks. So that in the according now write subject. Okay, and next is center angle. First column is maths subject, second column is center angle is already given that by the pie chart, and next is a marks. Okay, the first subject is you had Hindi. Hindi is a 70 degree. Okay, second is science. Science is a 80 degree. Next is social science. Social science is 65 degree. Okay, and English is 55 degree. Okay, and last is mathematics, the short name is maths is 90 degree. It is given the center angle. Okay, now draw the table. Okay, and change the degree, change the center angle in the marks form. Okay, total marks is 540. Okay, the total marks is 540. It the first is 70, so you change now 70 upon total marks is center angle is 60. 70 degree means 70 upon fraction is 540 is equal to. Okay, next is a 80 upon 360 into 540, then 65 upon 360 into 540, and 55 upon 360 into 540, and last will be 90 upon 360 into 540. This is the after calculation is the marks. So that first is self is 540 upon 360. 540 upon 360, 0 0 cancel. Okay, 9 4 ja 36, and 9 5 ja 9 6 54 2 3 by 2. Okay, so the whole cancel will be 3 by 2 3 by 2 3 2 3 is 3 by 2 3 by 2. Okay, the first will be 2 in 35 into 3. 35 into 3 is how much? Is 105 is the marks of Hindi, the marks of Hindi. Okay, and second is cancel to 40 into 3 is equal to 120. The 120 is a marks in science. Okay, now 3 2.5. Okay, 3 2.5 is 65 is 97.5 is the marks of science. The marks of social science is 97.5, and here 55 cancel with 55 upon 2 is 2 1 7.5. 7.5 into is equal to 82.5. 82.5 is marks of English, and last will be 92 is 45, and 45 into 3 is equal to 135. So this is the marks of 130 marks is a mathematics. Okay, and then the solve the questions. In the first question is ask first question ki in which subject did the student score 105? That the which subject will be score in the 105 is the subject of Hindi. Now second is how many more marks will obtain by the maths than Hindi? So maths, the difference is maths minus Hindi. The marks of maths is 135 and marks of Hindi is 105 is equal to 30. So how many marks more than 30 marks? Okay, 30 marks more than in maths. And last will be 3, explain whether the sum of the. Okay, so then the third question answer, first you find sum of in social science plus math, social science and math. Okay, so social science and maths, the social science marks is 97.5 and marks of maths is 135 is sum of total is 232.5, and sum of next two is the science and Hindi. Sum of science plus Hindi, that science is marks is science is 120 and Hindi marks is 105 is equal to 225. Okay, it's mean then more than science. So answer is, third answer is yes. Third answer is yes, because 232 is more than 225. Okay.